Hello and welcome back to Sleepy English, your space to listen, shadow, and learn English at a slow, natural pace. In this episode, I speak slowly. I use clear, simple words, and I repeat ideas so speaking can feel calm and confidence can grow step by step. Today we will talk about why you can understand English, but find it hard to speak. Not deep theory, but real steps. What happens in your mind when you listen? Why does your mouth freeze when you try to talk? How can you change this with gentle daily practice? By the end of this episode, you will know simple ways to move from silent understanding to active speaking. Let's begin. Why is it important to practice speaking out loud in English? It's important because listening is passive. You receive words and relax. Speaking is active. You choose words, build sentences, and move your mouth, all at the same time. You do not need big grammar to start. You need small, repeatable actions that wake up your speaking muscles. Calm, steady, daily actions. And here's the best part. When you speak a little every day, your brain starts to think in English. Your mouth learns the rhythm. Your confidence grows. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to try. When you practice aloud, you stop translating in your head. You sound more natural. You use simple, complete sentences. You feel ready to talk to people. Let's take an example. Imagine you watch a movie and understand most lines. Later, a friend asks, "So, what did you watch?" If you have practiced short speaking lines, you can answer. You can say, "I watched a comedy last night. It was funny and light." Or, "I saw a travel show. I liked the host." That is real speech, short, clear, and relaxed. Even if you study alone, even if you are shy, you can still build this skill with daily voice practice. So, whenever you don't know what to say, start simple. Say what you did. Say what you want. Say how you feel. These are good starters. They train your brain to find words. They build a habit. They help you speak full sentences without stress. You can do this in the morning while you make tea. You can do this at lunch while you walk. You can record yourself and listen back. The key is to keep it simple. Use the English you know. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes. 1 line today, 2 lines tomorrow, a smooth story next week. So today, let's build that skill together, step by step, word by word, 1 real sentence at a time. Okay. Let's start at the beginning of your practice, the warm-up. The warm-up is a very important part of speaking. It sets the tone, it wakes your voice, and it's a perfect time to speak and think in English, even for a few minutes. Below are simple warm-up lines. Keep any that feel helpful in your notebook. I can speak a little today. My voice is calm and clear. I will use easy words. Short sentences are fine. I do not need perfect grammar. I can pause and breathe. I can try again. I can finish my thought. I am learning by doing. I feel safer each time. A short story. First practice at home. I stand by the window with a cup of tea. The room is quiet, and the light is soft. I open my notes and choose 1 simple topic. I say, "Yesterday she went to the park." I add, "The air felt cool and clean." I add, She sat on a bench and listened to birds. The lines are simple but real. I press record and say the 3 lines again. I listen back and hear clear sound. I feel a little proud. It is a small start, and it is the right start. Now, practice during the day, at work or school. Many people are busy, but short speaking moments still help. Offices, classes, or work from home all offer chances to use your voice. A few minutes is enough. The lines below support quick, clear talks. Do you have a minute to talk? Can I explain my idea? I will keep it short. Let me try in simple words. Give me a moment to think. I do not know the word, but I can describe it. I will start, and you can help. Can you please speak a little slower? Could you repeat that part? Thank you for your patience. Good luck with your call. Nice work on that task. Can we practice this later? I learned a new phrase today. I feel more confident now. A tiny work chat, story. Near the kitchen, a simple hello begins a short talk. A small question about a project brings a calm update. Slow progress, but fine. 2 clear lines share an idea. 1 helpful tip comes back. A quick thank you and a note in the notebook close the moment. The voice stays active and fear stays low. Sentence starters for gentle planning. Today, I practiced by reading out loud for 5 minutes. When I forgot a word, I used a simple word and kept going. Sometimes I feel shy, but I speak anyway. Before I speak, I take a slow breath and choose 1 idea. After I speak, I note 1 thing I did well. Rescue lines for a blank mind. Keep the talk moving. I lost the word, but I will explain. Can I say it in another way? What is the word for this? Let me give an example. I will keep it short and clear. 1 moment, please. I am still learning. Thank you for helping me. That's the idea I wanted. Great. I can continue now. Chunk phrases that make speaking easier. Ready-made lines. We are not sure yet. It depends on the time. That sounds good. We have a quick question. That makes sense. Could you give an example? We agree with that point. We have a different view. A moment to think would help. Thank you. That helps a lot. Gentle self-talk for daily practice. Support your mood. I can learn step by step. Small practice is real practice. Mistakes are part of learning. My voice gets stronger each day. I can speak even if I feel shy. I choose simple words today. I will try again tomorrow. I celebrate small wins. I am building a habit. I am proud of my effort. Rhythm lines for a steady pace, short and smooth. We listen first. You speak next. We keep the flow. The breath stays calm, and we continue. The thought can end. The face rests and smiles. This voice tries again later. The mind learns a little more. We trust the process. The body feels ready to talk. Practice plans for today. Clear and small. I will record a 1-minute voice note. I will read 5 lines out loud. I will shadow 1 short clip. I will retell my day in 3 lines. I will use the 4-3-2 method once. I will learn 2 new chunks. I will speak to myself while I cook. I will ask 1 question at work. I will write a tiny diary. I will review tomorrow morning. Travel-size phrases for real talks when nervous. Could you say that again, please? Please speak a little slower. I did not catch that word. Do you mean this? Let me check that I understood. Yes, that makes sense. Sorry for the pause. Thanks for your patience. One last question. That's all from me. Okay, a full toolkit is now in your hands to move from understanding to speaking. Use it in your own voice. In the morning, pick 3 warm-up lines while you make your drink. At midday, choose a few chunk phrases for a quick chat or a short message. In the evening, review rescue lines or record a tiny role play. Small steps, steady progress. Great work today. You listened to a clear plan. You explored steady lines. You collected complete sentences. Most of all, you used your voice in English. This is real progress. You're not just studying English. You are using English. You are living in English one sentence at a time. Keep building your confidence. Keep practicing these speaking lines until they feel easy. Return to this episode whenever you want a calm guide. This is Sleepy English. Bye for now. Calm, calm.